Oh, hey, Clyde.
Hey, you got any smoke detectors?
What? Who the starts a conversation off like that?
I was just wondering if you had any smoke detectors.
Yes, I have two. There's one up there, and the other one over there. And possibly one in the bathroom.
Okay, thanks.
I will never understand that guy.
Clyde's Channel. Clyde's Channel.
Let the axe murderers begin.
Blaze is wrong as hell. There are no smoke detectors in here. Which is good news for me. Oh, yeah.
What the hell is that smell? That rhymes. But don't say it in front of your parents. Because your parents hate cussing.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I swear to God, someone is smoking marijuana. Now it just smells like skunk. Clyde, why the hell is my smoke detector going off?
It was an accident. I was taking a shower and the steam coming off from the hot water accidentally went to the smoke detector.
Clyde, you were smoking a Mary J again, weren't you?
Yeah.
Clyde, you idiot. Ugh. What am I gonna do with you?
Aren't you gonna, like, turn it off or something?
Oh, yeah. I can't find the power button anywhere.
What? No. I am not gonna stay here and listen to that thing any longer. I am getting annoyed. I'm getting a headache. Nah, I'm going home.
Well, fuck you. I don't need you anyway. Stupid motherfucker. No. There's something wrong somewhere. Aha! Alright, bitch. Get ready to meet your maker. Hey, yeah! Yeah! What the? God damn it, how durable are you? The garbage truck should be here any minute now. I'll just throw you in the outside trash. The problem is solved. I don't have to forever again. No more annoying noises. I'm free. Oh, I'm so happy. Yeah. No. I swear to God, if that's what I think it is, I'm going to burst my butt. if I even see his damn face, I'm gonna... Come in.
Hey, I'm Randy the Garbage Man. I drive that garbage truck around. I found this alarm in it. You threw out a perfectly good alarm. So I don't think you knew, but I just came to give it back to you. So there you go. All right, I gotta go. Bye.
Thank you, garbage person. Thank you. Or should I say you? Because maybe in opposite world, that really means thank you. Ugh. Damn it. Oh my god, you're starting to be a real pain. A real pain in my ass, that is. Ugh. I'm getting sick and tired of this. I wish I could just go out in the middle of the forest or somewhere. I wish I could go out in the middle of the woods or something to get away from you. Wait a minute. Bye-bye, bitch. I'm free. I'm free. I'm free. Oh. I swear to God.
Stop littering. Litter again, I'm calling the police. And you'll be going to jail. Oh, and the rumors about dropping the soap are true. I'm serious about the soap. That soap is so slippery you can't even hold it. I mean, don't know what the other guys were talking about whenever they were dropping their soap, but anyway, yeah, that soap is really slippery. So take care.
Goodbye, world.